Hi folks, Ukulele Mama here. We are going to do a spooky song today. Some people might think, well, how do you do a spooky song on a ukulele? Well, it's possible depending on the chords you use. So we are going to use E minor, B7, and A minor. Let's see how that sounds. Here's an E minor. Yeah. And now I'm going to go to B7 by moving every finger up one. Same position, same frets, and it sounds like this. And back to E minor. Oh yeah. And the easy one is A minor, and it goes like this. Ooh, B7, ooh, E minor. That's it. Let's go to the play along when you're ready. See you there.